Hello everyone! Today in this video we will be working on taking our first steps to learning the amazing programming code of Python. Now, before we begin, you will need the following: laptop and or desktop, PyCharm CE, terminal and or CMD based on your operating system, and dedication. Programming can be a great task to overcome. Disclaimer: this video will be for the average person with little knowledge of programming. If you are professional or very experienced, this video is not for you. We will begin this tutorial series of sorts, beginning with the basics of Python and one example code you can make yourself. Enjoy. Step 1. Download and install PyCharm CE. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to download PyCharm now, and we have the choice of 3 operating systems: Windows, Linux, or Mac OS. I'll show you what all the tabs do at this moment. And you can choose between professional or community. Honestly, you can do whatever you want, but in this tutorial, I would recommend using the community because one, it's free, and it's perfect for the beginner. My browser will now prompt me to download. If yours does this, just go ahead with it. It's no virus, it's fine. So now we're just going to save the file and put it right wherever you want it. As long as you can open it, that's what you want to do. Now I will proceed to my Downloads tab. Now I already have mine downloaded, so what I'll do is I'll look at it, show you the time and the size, and depending on your internet speed, it'll start downloading for about 5 to 10 minutes, but I'll just go ahead and cancel it, seeing as how I already have it downloaded and installed on my computer, and we can move on. Okay, step 2. Now that we have downloaded and installed PyCharm CE, now we want to do is we want to open and create our very own Python file. Okay, let's get this started. So, what you want to do, if you have it downloaded and installed, which I'm assuming you do, just go ahead and open your PyCharm CE IDE. Now I'm going to let it load and do its thing while it opens. Alright, so we're getting started. We're opening everything, getting the folders and the editors. We're ready to go. Right, so what we have here on our interface is we have our Python console to do basic commands such as 2 plus 2 for an example, or 3 plus 3. And you can even get a bit silly with it and do whatever you'd like to do. And on our right side, we have our terminal, which if you know Mac OS commands, you can do whatever you'd like in there. Look up your files, etc. Terminal access. It's good to have while you're programming. Now, what we want to do, once we're done messing around in terminal, we are going to move over to this bar. So basically, this is all the code I've written so far that I'll be showing you in future episodes, but right now what we want to do is start a new folder, a new project, as it's called on PyCharm CE. So what we'll do, file, and then new project. And then we can name it whatever we like. And in this case, I'll be naming it something along the lines of YouTube tutorial. And once we have our folder or project, as it's called, in here, we'll go ahead and create it. And we're just going to open it in the current window just to make things a bit easier on ourselves. Alright, now we have our new directory, folder, or project started. And now let's create our file. So I'm going to go to new. We have a list of commands. But what we're going to do is new, and then Python file. It's pretty broad, and you can just go ahead and name it whatever we like. So I'll go ahead and name it for you guys. You can call it whatever you like. It doesn't really matter as long as you know what it is. So what we'll do from here is we're going to just, this is our IDE, or other words, workspace. So this is what you're going to put all your program in. It's perfect. It's fine. And this is let's just begin. So, basic command for you guys. Well, a feature on PyCharm CEs, which is a good reason why I chose it. You type one letter and it'll give you a list of functions and other things. Once you're more advanced in programming, this will be highly useful for you to quickly find and select your functions. So we'll do print for now. So you want to say print and then um, a quotation mark and then hello world. So what this command does is it will actually print that text for you in the green. If you put a hash mark, you can actually put a comment. And what a comment does is it will say something inside your code, but it will not affect your code. So you can say whatever you want and it will literally do nothing. So this is your first code. So good job, everybody. We have our first code set up and ready. So now what we can do is we can run it. So what I'm going to do, move over to structure, right click or double click on tutorial Py, and then we can go down to run. It's pretty basic. So go ahead and hit run. And you'll get a box for your run. So it says, as you can see, hello world. So there we go. It's our first code. It's really simple. I know it's a bit boring right now, but we'll get more advanced in the future. And it says hello world. Now we can change this text to literally anything. It's pretty fun. And there you go. There is our new code, new print, new string. You'll get to know more about the grammar of programming, as I'd like to call it, in the future. So that's about it. Have a good day. Peace.